So before I get into today's video, Dancehall artist Mr. Vegas have dropped the music video for his latest single, Akadawa. You can check it out on his Vivo. And in today's video, we have Mr. Vegas talking about Spice performance in England at Popcaan Unruly Fest and what she did on stage. So let's get right into the video.
Well, no, listen, when I tell you no things, you know, I've been doing this music for a long time. Before me boss in music, me I do music, you know. Me I do music from before me boss, you know. Yeah, man, me used to sing for a sound system, a small like sound, and them thing them in a dancehall music long before me boss, you know. Yeah, man. Me know the industry like the back of my hand, people. Just me. So one of the things say I mix up on people business and they sitting them into. Me just attack the facts. You see? I am just speaking the facts. You see? They have totally destroyed the fabric of dancehall. And who are the two main persons? VYBZ KARTEL and Spice destroy the fabric of dancehall. Yeah. Anyone who want to take it or not take it. Facts. Yeah. One time, no man could not sing no song I tell girl about to push wood down the throat and it's in there. Cartel legalize that. Facts. The girl them just run out and just bowl with it. So we don't really have no boundaries again in a dancehall. We just can sing anything. Spice pan the woman them side with no talent when it comes down to being a recording artist. She is not a great talent. Great stage performer, if you want to call it that, with her one bag of theatrics. But she don't have no musical talent of such. Very mediocre. I'm telling you. So Frances sing So She Like It on the stage. She have to draw for the sheet. She have to draw for the dancer them. And she have to plant smudding at the crowd to come get her forward. And so said, so done yesterday or whenever in England. England, where I one of the core base. England, New York, Jamaica, the core base them there. And if Spice can infiltrate the core base, which is England, it means that dancehall get fucked. If Spice can infiltrate the core, where England, one of the core base, it's not like down at some far out part where the people don't really understand what are going on. England that, I just see man in a crowd, I put up on a smile up face. One time that couldn't go on a dancehall, no man couldn't go up on a stage and skin out. No man couldn't do that in a dancehall. New York, England, Miami too. Yeah, like Fort Lauderdale and place there. Yeah. But me attack the hub. You have Kingston, right? Moby, them region there, England, in London and them places, you're mad. Bring shakiness on stage, a beer, boo and buckle you get, man. Remember me tell you, Spice totally destroyed the fabric of dancehall. No morals in it again. No self-respect in it. When the matter about ladies I used to slack and Shabba used to slack, we supposed to sing about pum pum and them thing there. Cause that one we pitney them come we youth them, we son them, we son them come have, you know, girlfriends or wife and give a grand pitney and them something there and continue with DNA. You understand me? I say, yeah, we want that. You know, slackness, that's a reality. I sing about sex. Yeah. But now a different thing. Them girl yeah, we you see now I say them a dancehall artists. Them have no boundaries. Zero boundaries. Spice a disgrace. Me tell you now what you say, Spice bring the most nastiness in a dancehall. She embraced them, and them dep on the internet a parade a cuss people. Right now, they are Martinique. I go out last night. Zane, the people them not play dancehall again. Martinique, this you know. Them don't play dancehall again. Even the two local dancehall songs them were popular. Like Drift and Byron Messiah and Shensia, Hit and Run. The people them mix it on a rhythm named Shatter. Zane, go up on my YouTube, me just release a Shatter tune called Kudawa. Trump. Zane, you know, like a comedy things like. No, when you're there Martinique and them place, you don't hear dancehall again. Them not even play dancehall again. You know them do? Them merge the dancehall with a kind of African sound like, and them have a thing called Shatter. When you go in at the party and that play, the artists them don't hear DJ like how Shabba them used to DJ. Yeah? Kalash them and Chris them and the girls them don't hear DJ like ladies are them a DJ like Shabba them. Come yo just go up on the internet and type in Shatter music from Martinique and Guadeloupe and them place there. The people them a DJ are hardcore, real hardcore, them a DJ hardcore, and them dip on the rhythm and a bounce on the rhythm like how we used to vibe rhythm. You understand me I say? Where them a eat and them when in at the party them like how we used to have the songs them with the big punchline, the big hook. Yeah? Like give me the girl, let me the wicked Islam. He kind of girl when no feel love up she man. And used to have heads high, kill them with the no. And used to have Zim Zimmer, who got the keys to the bimmer? Used to have like traffic blocking, girl come down in a serious thing. You know, that's a little part, you know, serious thing. You know, them little thing. When you're in a Martinique and them place they know. And you see the French youth them have singing in a Creole. Them have them elements there. The serious thing and the whole crowd are sing it. The whole crowd are sing that shit. Yeah. When in the party, me in a party last night, I don't understand nothing what them are sing say, but me feel it and me hear it and me see how the crowd are react. And the crowd are go on bad like oh we used to have the crowd a move. Some man a play number 2, some man a number 2, and then want me fabulous baby, and she a drive the whole gangster crazy. Everybody know say the woman them a lead, them hotter than pepper see. I saw the people them in the party a sing out in them Creole language and them French language people. Yeah, them little idiot we come to dancehall, destroy the fabric of dancehall people. So them not even play it again. And when people look now and see this little mediocre artist where we not call dancehall queen, where I come try size up. But how many songs take yourself in the Billboard? I come try size up. Run out on stage with a white sheet. White means purity. White means godliness. White means clean. White means pure. White means river water we clean where I run. You put out white sheet on stage as a representation and have people come on stage and call themselves whatever they call themselves. Bestie, man, come boy my bestie. A skin out on stage. Man asking no. A bus like as you don't want to call ladies used to sing about sex, heels on, belly rubber whatever. She's sure we say yo. A procreation the thing there, a man and woman the thing there, a this or the thing there, a dancehall that bubbling, whining together, daggering, slam, that are our thing. Seeing you in a party now, girl and girl a wine up, girl and girl a share lollipop, girl and girl a lick tongue, and they sitting in a dancehall. Keep that in the phone space, keep that on the yard, keep that in the circle. Dancehall one place where you not go dancehall, go violate. Inside the circle, we not say, yo, if you discriminate against people, you know. We not say, if you hate nobody, you know. Yeah, of course, you gotta have shaky people who are your fans. You understand me? I say, you come on your show, them, of course, them welcome. Of course, we not say, yo, don't come on our show. We not say, don't buy with music. But we say, we not come in our space. Act accordingly. Act accordingly in other space, yeah. When you blood clot dancehall. You see? act accordingly to the culture. We have certain cultural values, brethren. One can make big old idiot Spice when our talent come destroy the fabric of dancehall, and when they can idiot them on the internet when people attack. When about say people bad mind. Bad mind for what? We have a bad mind Spice. We have bad mind Spice for? Spice bad mind our own herself. We don't know sister Spice not even love herself. Spice never love herself. We have to have a bad mind. Bad mind what? She bad mind her own herself. Spice look like somebody will love herself. Spice are living in misery. You have to understand that, brethren. And that misery there I bring a negative energy in the space, brethren. I want to embrace it and I accept it. And I crown queen. Crown which queen? Take off that. Queen for where? Queen for bring man on stage come skin out. I want to you. And you have to sing with all our top general them like all my brother name Chronicle and them you they have to sing with. And I bring yo Popcaan them a youth we're supposed to be core. And the man keep him show England and you bring shaky man on stage. A skin out on the man stage. You know no blood clot boundary. When I go and come we stay silent. You know no boundary. And you look at idiot people them on the internet we are gas you up. You look at drama fool idiot people them on the internet you get upon love and hip hop. Them things said that. Love and hip hop have some B grade, C grade artists we can't bust in a music. When I go and something for run around the building and with flags and rejoice and celebrate Jamaica historic feat. You know, this is historic. I reject them the bumbo clan love and hip hop we can't bust. Remember that. Or a try bus. Facts. Uno not fool nobody. Uno destroy our workplace. And uno idiot when I tell you say, uno come, uno bring uno a dancer if you come go and uno want come tell we no fit talk. Uno can come in our workplace come tell we no fit talk. Spice for go. Spice for go. Spice now no talent. When it comes on to studio recording or recordings, Danny Brownie them would have never vice Spice. Richard Brownie them would have never vice Spice. Tony Kelly them would have to write the song and sit down with her and make certain say it come to perfection. You think the Spice can write no song go up at Tony Kelly them? I want to know. Tony Kelly them don't even trust people for write song for them really much more. Them man they sit down and pray them read them for you. Yeah, me go up when me bring Sucky Ducky up at Tony Kelly. The man they sit down and fix it. Me and I stood up about 3 hours sing one thing. Could I do them, could I do them. Could I do them, could I do them. Could I do them, could I do them. Me have to sing and the man say, high one now. Could I do them, could I do them. Could I do them, could I do them. Man say, low one now. Could I do them, could I do them. About 50 million track. I'm to know. I can't come destroy when the man, the great man the bill. I want to know Spice for go. Spice I come destroy with the greats them build Danny Brownie and Steely and Clevey them and the great you know Jammies them and the great Jan them. Spice I come I'm to know. Destroy the fabric of dancehall and nobody no want hear it again. How I work this, how I work place this. Now come to work come tell man how to talk. And what it talks, Spice a idiot artist, mediocre artist, recording artist. She go up on stage and create drama. Bring one sheet and some dance up and some pole. Nothing after the first song. Good, so she like it, whatever you want name. A man a romantic call a patra song that. Nah trick nobody. Nigga like pum pum a shabarang song that. Yeah, we don't say people not take other people work and remix it and anything, but my 90% are song them want to know people work what she try bob around. Yee-ha, see-saw, wee-ha. Red Rat them do that. Fuck out of here. Bright. But how much song Vegas has ever entered Billboard? Me mama. Yeah. But Yo, right now, I'll chronic law them, we are soldier. We are real gangster. You never just call me and say, take me off of your song. And Popcaan need to come apologize to the people them to put upon him show to do that. I want to know. You can't come and want dirty up dancehall. I want to know. And this again, people, me remind you. We not discriminate against no people. We not say no people bring violence to no people with them sexual orientation. But we are saying no blood clot space. Next thing a blood clot trying to go and dress up and come on stage, come wine up on man. I want to know. You see all the girl, all what me say, all one Jada Kingdom, all I put all Derek pan intro. All of put shaky people pan dancehall intro. Wanna know say them shaky. And I come spread that up, I come propagate that in a dancehall. Uno fi go away. Think you not fool nobody, boy. You not dirty up dancehall, brethren. You not destroy the fabric of dancehall with Tony Kelly them build. And Dave Kelly them build, brethren. You know hear Dave Kelly sang them. Go listen to Dave Kelly catalog. Them man they come like biblical scholars. Them man they come like prophet when them man they write dancehall. I want to know. You can't destroy the Dave Kelly them come put on boy. With no nastiness. Eh? I want to know. Yo, you know where dancehall come from? Dancehall come from when Red Dragon go sing Slackness, him get banned for 2 years. That's when we have morals and respect in a dancehall. Yeah. Red Dragon go make a mistake and sing Slackness at one school. And then ban him for 2 years. Spice for go. We need to hold back with dancehall and firm up back with dancehall and run with Spice them with them nastiness. And then people that we have put the shaky people in for intro. And I call it dancehall music. Dancehall music wow. For no space. No clad space. Because that I reflect bad upon our culture, brethren. I'm going to say, we just accept anything right now we come away. Next thing I got bumbuckler man I come do dancehall song and that I play when you go all a blood clot dance, you see blood clot shaky man song I play and I get big forward. I'm not idiot. After Tony Kelly them done say can't believe me eyes. Eh? I want to know, man. Remember, say Baby Sham, the Baby Sham should have shame on you right now. And Baby Sham them done sing already. Say, give them the dance, bust the dance. Fam, you were born up and the boy make me hear, fuck you. Too no. You don't forget them there. And what we gone to? No, you don't stay if you don't come in a dancehall space. I want to shake you, brethren. Just behave appropriately in a space, brethren. A bumbuckler that come jump and sheet and a skin out and a kick with the girl them. The man come like he want to fight the blood clean girl them on the stage to blood clean like a violate the girl them violate him. Wanna plant people in a crowd and then a draw out people like you think you bumbuckler smart. When you plant people in a crowd, shake people in a crowd and I bring them on stage. You know, me never tell you nobody. Me not tell nobody say Spice bring the most nastiness in a dancehall. Me never tell you no. Because she not no talent, brethren, when it comes down to being a recording artist, brethren. So she have to use them things to build up her show. She have to use them things to make up her show. She have to use them things to full out the time slot, people. She don't have no blood clot hit song. She have one little go down there what she do with Shaggy and Sean Paul. And Sean Paul do have it time set. Because when you play it on the road, it don't get no blood clot forward. You think so? Me no see it? Me a idiot? Me no see Shaggy and Sean Paul them a perform it and they not get no forward and them just take it out of them set. Because it not getting any forward. It's a little tune come out in a COVID and Shaggy them spend a bag of resource, put a bag of resources behind it and make it what it is. So she have one song with the people them know. The two little that sang them on with two little juggling. She have some little juggling song. Like what Dave Kelly did right for her half a Sister Charmian song. Sister Charmian song we say, me is a girl come from country. And one thing my granny used to say to me, say Charmian and nothing a Charmian song that. Me is a girl in a fight over man, a Charmian something that. Me is a girl come from country. A Charmian that. We don't have fool nobody. The one song what she have, so she like it. When then can go get Not Nice when Not Nice fix up because he is a great producer. And that alone she have in her catalog. Anything else that be a sheet and pill and freaking she go on with on stage. That is it. And see when up boots are there, till she bring disgrace pan dancehall bridging. And when I go and want to come blood club bad up people no fit talk. And disgrace Spice I bring in a dancehall. Disgrace. Her name fitting. She name Disgrace Hamilton. So she name. She bring the same dirty behavior because she gonna live at Atlanta now, where's the cradle for shakiness. And she bring that now come dash out in our culture now. She live now in the cradle. And she bring that come dash out pan we now when I go and accept we for stays at our workplace. This will not move on a blood clot because when things are going in a full workplace we not talk up. Dancehall is filled with space at our workplace. Anybody will contribute to the building of dancehall. How I work this, how I space this, how I ground this. We don't want that in a dancehall, dirty Spice.